si same item sa picting lo laman. Jadi mana no ay.
Mama Bengali say jom.
Ligi ligi funny.
Hi guys, welcome to my blog. So we are going to this Mela called Hastashilpa Mela, which is the handicraft Mela of Bengal, which is held every year. And this Mela has like unique pieces and the handicraft specialty of West Bengal from every regions of West Bengal. They brought all the unique style and then their handmade stuff. I was like really shocked to see so many beautiful pieces. I love all the bamboo stuff here also. Everything is like handcrafted here in West Bengal itself, and so many villages and so many regions have come to participate by bringing out their unique and regional style. So it was like really beautiful mela, and which is very unique to me, and I haven't seen such a big mela in my life. So mela means fair, okay, whoever doesn't know what is mela. So they actually were very reasonable rate. They were not that much expensive also. These vases, they have like hand painted stuff, and these are like, if you go to any other showroom, big malls, or even in the airport, we checked the prices. It was like really huge difference. Like here the t-shirts and all, they will might cost you around 200 or 300, and some places they will cost you around 2000. Even the vases or the kettle, everything here was so reasonable, and I wanted to buy so many things, but I couldn't, because I have stopped hoarding and I have so many stuff while traveling. Like we travel a lot and we used to buy so many things from every regions where we went. So at the end we kept on hoarding, and it's a kind of headache also for traveling freak like us, who actually wants to travel. If you keep on buying, you have to get all the stuff, and then you have to do the logistic, and it's a kind of headache for us. So I was very conscious of buying what to buy and what not to buy, and what do I have and what I don't have. So basically I have been seeing all this kind of stuff in Orissa also, and then in West Bengal also. So we have been, in and out, we have been going to West Bengal as my brother is staying. So I was like, I love everything. I want to buy everything, but I can't buy types because I don't have spaces, to actually put in my travel, or actually to keep at my house also, because like we are overloaded. Even all these furnitures, all these handmade things, oh my god, they are so lovely. And even on the spot also, you can see so many all women and people making stuff, and it was like actually very unique. And Bengal is famous for jute, so it has like unique jute pieces also. So here at the end, my sister and I was we were like checking out this, I think it's called punch needle cross setting or something, needlework. So we were like, we really wanted to buy this because we wanted to try, but we could not, because at the end we thought that it's not going to work for us. This guy is doing very nicely, and it looks easy, but it doesn't. But we actually bought those what do you call, drawings, which we can actually paint, so like by using this. So it was fun. So the next morning, we went for some vegetable shopping at the local market here near the society. And this market has everything like fishes, green veg, and anything you want, fruits. It's not a very big market, but still it's okay for like families around here. So the fruits, everything, it was there. And West Bengal, we thought that northeast regions has so many variety of vegetables, but West Bengal also has lots of vegetables. So here my sister is buying some flowers to be kept at home. We love buying flowers, we love adorning the gods and goddesses and temple mandir at our whole house. So we could keep on buying this we keep on buying flowers and anything related to that. So we bought a lot of veggies also to make singju, which is our Manipuri salad. So here we bought these flowers for our brother's house. We kept it is so beautiful. And now we went to actually take our nephew from the tuitions. He goes to tuitions nearby, so we went there and we pick him up, and then we came back. So this is his aquarium, lots of lovely fishes, but it keeps on dying, so he's very sad, but we keep on trying, how to save them. So it's fun and it's nice also, and it is very useful for kids also. It can educate them a lot about ecosystem and aquatic life. So after this we are going to Manipur back today. So we are all going by two cars here. One of them, my bhabhi's car, is being driven by the driver here, because we are all like five of us are going, and we have luggages, big luggages, so we need two cars. And then we kept all the stuff in one of the cars, like almost, and then some stuff in the another car. Here me and my sister and my brother, younger brother, is there, and into the next car, which you are saying, it's my brother, elder brother driving, and my parents are there. So we had a very lovely stay in Kolkata, even though it was just for 2 days for us, but my parents had been staying there for quite some time because of my father's operation and all. So now he is fine. So we are reaching the airport now. You can see this Kolkata airport here, if you see in the background. So I was just trying to get a glimpse of the airport, and then it was 5 a.m. We just got ready because my mom wants us to wants us to reach the airport by 5 a.m. But we are like, it's not possible, but still we managed to reach the airport by 5:30 a.m. because we had the flight at 8:30, 8:45. But still, we didn't want to rush, and my mom was like really petrified of all the stuff. So we thought, okay, fine, let's go. According to your time, we will give you the time you want. So we were waiting for my dad and my sister. I think they're coming here, and we were checking our side where we are going. So after that, we just do the check-in and everything. We were like just having a coffee and relaxing at the airport. We were not actually sleeping, so we were like so asleep. I was feeling so sleepy. I don't know how to do it, so I had coffee and I was just trying to pass my time by visiting the lounge, by visiting the shop, and then visiting all the lovely things to see here around in the airport, because I was literally feeling so sleepy. So there was like bars and everything in the airport also. It was huge, it was nice. I mean, Kolkata is like hard to us because we have been going, like we go up and down like that. So finally we reach our homeland, Manipur. It's, I don't know, whenever we see Manipur like this, we feel so emotional now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like and comment.